mild Italian sausage.
She's got arms.
I'm just breaking it up. Next, we're gonna add a chopped onion.
She's so strong.
We're gonna add
Yeah.
some seasoning. So this is where you would add a teaspoon of red pepper.
Her face is so
Garlic,
bright.
I
It seems
just
like
got
she's
the whole
such a
this,
positive person.
and that works out good.
How do
This
you?
is incredible. Like, this is an example to, you know, people who have everything and then, you know, or they want more and they just never get satisfied for anything. Like, you have to watch this. Like,
Wow.
this is something you should be
You gotta learn so much from these kind of people.
definitely, like, this is something you should be learning from.
Yeah.
You know, and then
Yeah.
start to appreciate little things in life. Like,
Well, yeah, as long as you're alive, you keep going. That's the thing. You know, it's not over.
it's like another example, like, not, you know, it doesn't matter what life circumstances are. Like,
yeah.
you always find a way. You always find a way. You go for it. You work hard.
Yeah, and look, like she's.
Look, she's
wow.
like making the whole meal.
She
looks
cooks way
good.
better than I could ever. I mean,
I know, right?